we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city located in Poland. For reference, this is said in Polish as Krakow, Krakow. In English, however, it is either said as Krakow, Krakow in British English, or sometimes as Krakow in American English. So, Krakow in American English, Krakow in British English, or Kraków in Polish. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting city names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.